Karunji, all the way could go over a Megatone field marshal.
Yaman.
Inachine choko after the field marshal.
Choko tini la kusitama niwa sit.
Wait.
No ine interview ina kumuza bigumire.
Ladies and gentlemen, no television jokanishini chama minchi mnonga ako kuna nabagambire hali mu introduction ngutsa ndugaruka Omweshongozi Megatone field marshal abaseko natugambira muziki ako kuguriyo no gutambura haliyo mu King's Empire. Keba kujeta King's Music Empire. Yes. King's Music Empire tugambira no mwaka so far ko kuguriyo no gumutambura na stories is trending. The man is here to clear everything. Abaseko natugambira how it really went down. But before all that, welcome to the show, my brother.
Thank you so much.
It's been a while.
Thank you so much.
Nkampuina mushonje turu premiering was it Forever?
Yeah, Forever.
It's been a while. Lamusayiro makureba TV West.
Abarebe ba TV West abakore program Omuneneserezo abatakuruga TV West n'abaramusyambanye ta Megatone field marshal kandi this time around tuzaganiramu ni manyangu ngomsebuze byaine nibyo mwine so teko kubigarukamu.
No, field marshal mwaka so far you know from the beginning you had a wonderful legacy, some amazing comeback. Because abantu bokuba buziraho misho n'abantu babamwe batakufollowinga mnonga Western Ugandan music bakujya konka shogo muja akiriyo because inayiwatiro katera buri hamwe hona. So mwaka group tutanika kurunji mnonga take us through the entire process omwaka gufutambulire guta guri no gutambura guta so far.
Omwaka gutambulire kurunji kandi naitwa ikatabi. Omwaka ngo gumwe ogumfuniremo my biggest song ever kandi omwaka ngo gumwe ogubasize kunyambanka crossing very many boundaries to reach out to very many people.
Connections.
And omwaka ngo gumwe ogumfuniremo a huge fan base.
Wow.
So I think to me this year so far so good.
It's a blessing. It's been by the way, congratulations. 1.4 million views on YouTube.
Yeah, we are heading to the road.
No matter guy, the song is already in a million.
8 months we are coming to 1.5. Just Ninden have like
so chama iso to kama nyuma kagwa kwa 2 million to
2 million we shall be with 2 million.
It's something beautiful. About that, most of the artists we have in Western Uganda kwa kufuna hit songs. I'm going to mention the songs now. Songs like I Want to Party, chesho chikatera bramwe hona. Songs like Boise, songs like very many songs to mention, but if you konkani vinji mnonga nabono babimanya bitire kujangu crossing jere byashora na Western Uganda. When it comes back to the artists batine chibafuneremu Forever inecho difuneremu iwenkiwe in terms of akasente
Forever
jirabya fan base jirabya chi akasente ko kizire
Forever nicho chesongoro echibasize because me ndukutandika music my dream was to earn from my music online kufunamu Forever nicho chesongoro echibasize kuntahize sente nyingi online tinyinji munonga tumtantera kanyondo just akana kanyondo konka bwa baby was after baby no
ku TV walanda kasente we kali
no the money is coming because it is support from the fans. The fans kaba kuviewinga here online bangambira ngo according to the views that you're getting you're earning this amount of money. So Forever ikanyamba to hit the targets that I needed to get paid.
Wow.
Yeah, so Forever yanyamba kugirangu ndibimwe kanta kubimanya hariho streams zimwe zabenzibaho
zitakumanya no kumanya nguzitiriyo
so
yeah,
because nkafuna namasimu mingi you can do this to earn from that song. You can do this nibina bentakumana nabamanya nashanga
aba meto bakufeze
no because ubiro winji ni impura advice but mbanza shitamanja yeah inenarje kunja tariya sente nyingi zotakafune na mjantu borinziro
because our nyini Megatone na honkenda how do you think we can educate ninga she sensitize abeshongozi bitu ba Western Uganda kugira ngo ati you were introduced to that kugira ngo because abana bitu bine good music and they are very talented konka kasente twakatanche kafuna and it is not all about the shows that you can get money omurembe tuyungwa digital so nojira no so advising otabeshongozi na mnonga ba Western Uganda kugira ngo they can still fetch lots of money from streams.
Achiko banza genda kubanza kuba encouraginga nyoki natanchire kufuna sente online nibwo nabanze kureba esente zinkukora mbyamire.
Wow. Uri omuka
Mbyami
okareba ka message.
Nkanta kukimanya ngo icyo kiro. Secondly niza nashanga ngo obutamanya music it is bad. Omweshongozi ine kubanza wafuna education before you release a song.
Wow.
Because nyowe kanyenda kwata forever kujita YouTube nkabyama. Mwana anje ati no jakura ndakumecha kumanyisa. I can help you namjant. Okay. How? Yasta manyoreka what to do.
Yakwegyesa.
For the first time I trusted him with my passwords.
Wow.
Yankora butimwe.
Bogambo bamuyayabere.
Najant first of all I'm not earning anything.
Yes.
Let me see. Konke chance mize munonga. Chesongo kchabire hit. Yanja tinka kugambira nasta nareba the amount of money that I'm earning every day
out of the song.
Najanti is the sente ninkuzira nziri yanja lindo kwezi kwemba kuzukusinchira.
Wow.
Kuba sinchire nazibara. It was my first time to count 1 million shillings
from streams on
from streams.
One channel.
Nkata kakwata ga sente ngana 1 million.
Wow.
Nkazombanka najibara najati this is
Mbyami omuka.
So I want to tell you artists you can get money from
actually tunabeshongozi bonka even the DJs buli omwena aine art yo
as long as you have created something.
Yes, content creators.
Omuntu kasaba nakosa MBs kureba
Iceman wena tukora mixtapes za Western Uganda.
Yeah.
That is money.
Ezo mixtapes he can earn. Kandi mangu na achimanya. Kandi ekintu cha mixtapes zibazine long very much watch time. So it is easier for you to hit watch hours than for me who has a song of 3 minutes.
Yeah.
So ati no, I have my online promoter. Okay. He's called DM Swagger.
DM Swagger.
Yeah,
DM Swagger.
He's a good guy. DM Swagger is a good guy. I can upload in the song chatira 1 million.
No guy out of between Rwampara.
Yeah.
Achai.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Ninyuzukana wako obuyinja.
Ampira gwa radio.
Yes, I remember. I remember.
So that guy yiza yankora ibintu byanje.
Kandi bukumushana.
Kandi
wamure batoka chumbara mungo
bitu. Kabanza kuteka mushana naenda kurara ya twale sente. Okakeze yandira ati nomanya ati we pa bank account.
Yes.
Nashanga bank account ni ne pin.
Yes, it is okay.
Najimuhereza. Sente kiza jira twazireba. Tinka chichirize kama enzi kwate.
Okujimangira mbokutera nkembeho.
Kinaje hari yatera nabara 9 miliyoni nabara najanti guy nazo kwata nzine. So ntorahi niwe nabanze kuronda niwe nabanze kwa. So the truth is the man is real. Artists so tashoze cheshongoro before you have the knowledge. You never know. Cheshongo so hitting and you lose money.
Yes.
Kande chindi apart from that I'm not rich. Mtakantera kanyonda I was just telling you. Because I want to back with. Okay,
Megatone don't go forever. We do thank God and our fans kujarango they made this song a hit song. And I want to thank Ray G. You see most of the times abeshongoza babamba kole byeshongoro collaborations. Omweshongozi yaine kaseta saka kuchizaho wiro winje na kugira ati tugenda shootinga video ka video ne yanje no video ne yanje nyine giteka channel yanje. So now you can imagine if Ray G atiraka kwa kurizo akajata nekuza channel yanje. So chama nisaka senda yakabe nkazoria but because I neseta say is like he's a brother. Yeah,
he's someone who understood me kamshobora namjanti. You know what echeshongoro na nishabachiza channel yanje because my channel teka kuzire kandi I need it personally kuja mukire.
I actually remember kano okutakichize na 1k subscribers
echeshongoro nkachiteka ho nyine I had 780 subscribers.
I remember actually nyoka chevuza najera
right now
achibaze bati
ndio niza kuteka ho ndio nikutera ho mtwaro.
Wow.
10,000. So norebangu he understood me but at the end of the day twice shooting a video twice kwata video twaga katwasta maho Yambu that what next namjanti the song is mine. Ndio nikista channel and video ka sorry I will share the link here. That's okay. Because he understood already I know subscribers by enough. I watch time he was earning already kayangambiro that you can earn money namjanti. And that nubo kufuneta onirie yawe. Ajanti kweli chiwaska. So I saw it now.
But so now you're passing on the knowledge to other artists.
It is very, very risky kusoza ekyesongoro otakumanya aikikuzakuza okakirekurira. You're going to lose very many things because kwaje ekyesongoro ekyo nkakirekura just negishaha kurunkiria hindi ahina abirindi because right now nobuna kubantafunire show in a month. At least at the end of the month I can run to the bank
platforms and get your money
and pick some money kuba zero. Yeah, kuba ni money nchimanya nti now tindia pressure ya mani bitemwe nimba so kora chi sorting. So artists, they should know that it is real. Reach out to, if he's a good guy, James Swaga is a good guy, he can help you if you want. So listen, MC, Iceman, your content creators, you can also kokani manyo yo mugezi ni mani kureba no basoko nati kana wachini Iceman wine ko clean ko wamugambira izo mixtape
Iceman ngazitekayo wakati ngumanyicha wachitamya tanche kuchikora ko Iceman ndishika kutekayo mixtapes ze okay. Anyways tujire ya Cheshongoro forever aba fans mpenda kubebaza na buli mwena basekubona tekamu amani kurebuka ngo Cheshongoro chito cyo cyasa kwitinga. The song plays everywhere in the country.
Everywhere.
No think I
don't know how it came to go there because nyonka bambyami na shange Cheshongoro chiri almost on every countdown. Nayebuza how nizukandukurana munonga kutambuze Cheshongoro kimwabigire na CD nikwebuza
wajiro to wow. Hard work pays, my brother. Hard work really pays.
Najanti you people, I can't thank you enough. Mwebare kukunda music ya Western Uganda because having a song kutera 1.4 million from Western Uganda in less than a year. It is not something easy.
It's not at all. Okay, Megatone twaruga Cheshongoro forever. Yenda turuko jenzo batueleza Cheshongoro around 4. After forever.
Until forever nija na
my love. Yes, my love.
Nija na teka ho do that ya Karifa Ganaga.
Watfaniwe
na tahoniwe then na Cheshongoro mbachita Jaka
it's a collab.
I still have very many collaborations.
So Cheshongoro cho ine single after forever, that is my love and Niwe. Do that. It's a remix.
It's a collaboration because Karifa called me and he was like, come to studio and we do something. Na ikaitwa atera do that. Then Esimurunji, we worked on a song and the video is already out.
Management
He's a very good guy. He's a very good manager. I think he's one of the best managers I've seen, and he's from this side. So we need very many managers about Inkawe to promote the music because he's someone who understands.
True.
Megatone, I want to work with you, but on this song the percentage is this. I want
Megatone because there are very many people that would like to collaborate with you. Since that you gave a collaboration to Esimurunji, a collaboration to Aganaga, Omweshongozi Megatone, what are they supposed to do?
First of all, seriousness. Seriousness
in pushing,
in everything. Omweshongozi okushanga target ye naenda kweshongora kusemeza girlfriend we naenda because me
kuba ine target
kugira ngo he wants to be an established artist. Oba they want to be an artist who kubasa kureba kajya ngo Omweshongozi are focused. Then ekindi arukore Cheshongoro uri chaho audio video karema hati nyowe manya ati think so wire mwana gwanje kugira think ukora talent must be there. We have to work, make a good song and push it because as long as it is good music, people need to hear that music and they support you. But at the end of the day, right now I'm trying I'm doing very many collaborations. After forever nikijana naho very big audience nafuna nabantu bakwenda gukora nanye from Kampala. So I'm working on some big collaborations from Kampala. Zirion pipeline zikuza kuba nzija, but still I am still working on songs from Western Uganda right now and some artists from here. So niteka tekangu for this year I will give you 2 collaborations, one from the central and one from here. Then ebindi abakwenda tukore hamwe, they will contact me next year.
Okay, Nwogwe Megatone kapa mengi Omweshongozi ali ko basakwani nono funa ekishani wanonda kola na Omweshongozi Megatone. So Megatone stories as it trending ninja twetereche tuzokere rukana neche kibuzo then tugambe cyonye necho basekuba no turetera tugambe sagebireho ejeyo gucupa over the weekend. You encountered the ground you kenyini intenda kuchure from the horse's mouth.
Yeah.
What really happened?
What happened is abantu bakaba ishire ku rugo mu mbera because abantu
so you don't blame them?
I don't blame the people because the event nyunka ikamanya to sing for the people because I was paid to perform. Gravity is
and some sources are saying you ngumuketwara yima barabahire sente
omuntu akugamba atyo he doesn't
that name VP tumina yesterday kwagizere
not in ebuzibu now. I cannot blame him but the truth is it is really crazy for him to think that a person like Megatone nimbasuku gum standard and kuza kweshongora for free. Let him call me for a show and even nani kweshongora for free.
Njera yacho ekaga kachiri abanongambira abantu
abantu kaika mwanya saha ina na ishongora saa 8 nyinyi nkakana tamwe.
Yeah, I know.
Abantu bakabari
yeah
saha ina na ishongora saha 8.
Yeah. Kata main artist akashongora zingaidero
ukase sasa wa saha 11.
I think nijaba events planners
bareke abantu fans mbatukunda but omuntu yaya ine plan yo kwiza karabe shongoza bya ine kureba katahumka really to ine kumugumyaho mpaka kasesa.
Okay, kamba mengo bachenga. So turukendera Megatone after that saga telebile what was at work still sure whether it niwo jitireyo because etambwire munonga. How true is it? Are you giving us a show this year? Because otireho esente tuwatereza date tuwatereza venue edijiro management yawe ninga some other people try to create something.
Bentakenzere kubaha show but my fans were like, guy, we want you to organize a concert. Na yinabajanti, let me go to the drawing board. That poster is from me, I know it, and the concert is still on the drawing board. Ekirungi cha TV West na Vision Group nokugirangu net ha chance. And the next time haja step yongeraho I'll come here to tell you the date and the venue.
Okay. Nwogwe Megatone Field Marshal kambe mengo yabasakwana kirialinga so Megatone aturukendera ibigambo byo muhero byo gambira aba fans bawe obagambire na nahabirungi na no muziki ogulyo ngwija harofano amamweta Isabella aliyo natolebera katete yaje unakunda mno.
I thank you for watching. Kandi abagizi banje I want to promise you, Megatone, I'm not someone who gives up easily. Nyenda mchimanye kandi music nyenda kubahereza music ya mani. Collaboration ya Esmurundi yaashahwire. I have a collaboration with a lady from Kampala. You will see it, I think, in 1 month. Then a guy from here, from Western Uganda. Just keep following Megatone Field Marshal. You will get to know the music that is coming.
Kale Nwogwe Megatone katwendeza virungi. It's been a pleasure having you
on the MC.
Madam Tizabantu over King's Music. Empewa gambengu tuwakonda
Iceman.
Nimpani garuka.
Iceman. Yo. Ninjoti nile. Nyoni mbano.
Nizakwani garuka na shukran MC. Otaka program Omuneneserezo Chamuka ni chaman minchi mnonga wakuteka makasente. Nonanbitu aba skylighter. Our hotels. For now, let's get back to the music.